But all the 4 quadrants drawn in at the same place here. A summary here. The reference angle for anything between 0 to 90 is this one, right? Anything for 0 to from between 90 to 180, it is this one, this angle here, right? And this is for 0 to 90. And for 180 to 270, the third quadrant, the reference angle is this one. Okay, and the right angle triangle, of course, for all these three, it's been drawn here also. Okay, and fourth quadrant for 270 to 360, the reference angle is down here. The triangle is this one here, right? The right angle triangle. You will notice that all these are the respective opposite side. All the opposite side here. See, opposite side for this triangle, 0 to 90. Opposite side for this triangle is here. This is the opposite side. All the vertical length are the opposite side. And all your sitting on the horizontal line here, these are the adjacents, right? So the adjacent here, adjacent, right? Your ADJ, adjacent. Or your hypo, H. Okay? And just now we found out that all angles, all whether sine, cosine, or tangent in your first quadrant here, they are all positive. Everybody, sine, tangent, sine positive, cosine positive, tangent is also positive. They are all positive. In your 90 to 180 just now, okay, you will find that it's sine that is positive only. In your 180 to 270, this region here, only your tangent is positive. This region, only your cosine is positive. So if you go in a anti-clockwise manner, take the alphabet ASTC. So one shot we can remember all 4 quadrants together. If you remember them individually, it's kind of tough. Okay, and your reference angle are all these that are colored in blue, right? So your basic angle, or you call it as reference angle, are this. Okay, this is your basic angle here. This is your basic angle here in the second quadrant. In your third quadrant, this one, and in your fourth quadrant is this one. All your reference angle for your right angle triangle that help us to identify with these angles that are bigger than 90 degrees. Okay, so first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and you'll find that all angles are for all angles, sine, tangent, cosine, they are all positive. ASTC, positive. How do we remember this phrase to help us remember? Okay, it will be one of the phrases that people use is called add. A stand for add, the A here. S stand for sugar. T stand for 2. The T here, AST. Then the C they use coffee, right? So add sugar to coffee, so that it's sweet enough for you to drink. Okay, and another more naughty one is they use the phrase all, A for all, S for science, T for teacher. Then they squeeze in the word R for nothing. Okay, C, the last letter C here for crazy. So all science teachers are crazy. Or you use add sugar to coffee. Whichever way, it will help you to remember that what are those trigo ratio that are positive in the 4 quadrants. Okay, first quadrant, all are positive. Second quadrant, sines are positive. Third quadrant, only tangent are positive. And fourth quadrant, only cosines are positive. The rest are negative. Okay, so because of this, later on we will be using this criteria very often, ASTC, very often, to check whether your sine, cosine, or tangent are positive or negative. Remember that.